Okay, so I just got a package. That package was a solid state hard drive. Here's the catch. In my MacBook Pro, my attempt was to use a 500 gigabyte hard drive and get all of the videos and stuff that I have from many, many years and combine everything onto one small hard drive and then have other multiple hard drives to make up the difference of that very small hard drive that I had available. And it didn't work out. So the only solution is to put a terabyte in the little guy here and call it a freaking day. I'm not going to bother you, or not bother you, I'm not going to bore you with another 30-minute video of me doing all that BS to that little machine again. But instead, what I'm going to do is just do an unboxing of a solid state. Western Digital, I decided to go Western Digital because there was a good deal on it at the point in time. It's kind of weird. They had a really good deal on these guys. So I'm like, I'll take it. So this is it. It's a Western Digital Blue, and it's 1 terabyte. This is an official unboxing. An official unboxing. So this is it being unboxed. There's really not a lot in here. It's just the box. And then we got your paperwork, which is nice. And then you got the little blue guy here. This is it. It literally weighs nothing. It's ready to go. As you can have already seen in the previous video, it takes about 30 minutes, 15 minutes to get in, 15 minutes to put it in there properly, another 15 minutes to take all the screws and put everything back together again. It takes about 30 minutes to do this whole process, 15. So that's what I'm gonna do. And by the time you watch this video, I'll be done. And, oh, I gotta put an operating system on here too. That's gonna take a couple hours. Okay, so end of this video, unboxing to review. This is a unboxing of the Western Digital Blue solid state hard drive. Because it's written on the back right there. It's kind of cool the way they wrote it on the back too, in case I forgot what the hell it was. Okay. Just don't feel like doing this right now, but I'm gonna do it. That's the end of this video. Oh yeah, my beard's growing. See that? Getting hairy. Hi, Harry.